Hi, Bob and Barbara. We're back with Max. I did want to tell you guys, though, he had some major diarrhea yesterday. We've never seen anything like it. It was just leaking out of his butt. So anyway, I got him on some stomach pills and stuff. I seem to have gotten it pretty much under control. But yeah, I don't know if that's an issue he's had in the past. But anyway, so all right. So we're just going to work him. We're just doing the pager. And we're working on shaping that behavioral heel. That was my deaf dog hand signal. Not at this point trying to say heel or get the dog to heel. Holding my leash. Yes. Stage, I want the pager to have him as far away from me as possible. You really shouldn't turn like that. I just kind of ran out. You can see we're starting to get the behavior right there. We're starting to get the behavior here. I guess we'll be right back with the recall.